Keralani montri okra Pinarayi Vijayan kebengwi wanama sinsa koksilsamung tisakha Keralani Governor Arif Mohammad Khan Tangsalo SFI ni sipai rok Governorni malkhungno chopropkha hanai koksilsamung kasakha aboni yakulo joli jagai koksilsamung Governor Tiruvananthapuramni laharo dato phunugui tongo gundaro khosatai klayo Tiruvananthapuram Keralani Governorno kosambana phunugui jolimung phunuglaika SFI ni sipai rok Tangsalo Delhiwo thangnani bagui Tiruvananthapuramni birkhung kholao thangmani Keralani Governor Ajorawo bini malkhungo gerebui kasambana phunuglaika SFI ni sipai rok Governorni malkhungno tokrup sukrup khlaimani koksilsamung kasakha Governorni konveo tabuk baikhe waitham chopropkha kahani saimanka Paithago kaisa thayo konve bathakjamani yakulobo andolon choliwino tongo Aboni sherapsani yakulo patimung thaini khari thangka SFI ni sipai rok patimungo tui beleno jolijaka Keralani Governor botebo saka ang direct no sawo ano buto khlaina bagui no borok rohorka montri okra agunda rokno lamao phai obohai khlaio honi sakabo montri okra kaisasuk pandawo thangfro bini konveo kebo abohaike habuida mano fiaba ajagawo samung sitra tangnai rok konveo chopropmani yakulobo samung sitra tangnai rokno khanani bagui chubachu khlaitongo police botebo saka ang malkhungni nokhormani yakulono joto samung sitra tangnai rok kharik thangka hani sakabo sak baithang montri okra dagi mung tongke police tamo khlainai INDIA ketalaimung bodolni bayap angmani yakulobo CPIM ni obahai tomungno nugui belaino nasilejaka Congress ni MP Shashi Tharoor Social media o bo seika Keralani Governor ni logi SFI ni gundar rok ni tomungno nugui belaino selengjakabo Governor Arif Mohammad Khan ni malkhungo hamla Communist hapangni naikol mungo obahai patimung belaino lasima sinja Khorsatai klayo thanai salkisar romui kwbangma isuno tui Keralani montri okrati Governor ni bisingo kokbanglai mung tabuk kisa kotor ongui phairak aro ni bisingo tabuk direct Keralani montri okra Pinarayi Vijayan Keralani Governor Arif Mohammad Khan no bothana nayo hunai koksilsamung baithang Keralani Governor Keralani police ni bukhakti saimanka khoroksini SFI ni sipai rokno romkha phiaba o koksilsamungo tui montri okra ni bukhakti mungsa kokfirok mung manyakhu
Will you allow them to come near my car? Come here. Sir, which is the officer? Which is the senior officer? How they have been? Will you allow them to come near the chief minister's car? Will you allow them to come near chief minister's car? Who is the senior officer? These Hondas will rule the roads of the Trivandrum. It is nobody chief. This is being done at the instance of the chief minister's party to this conspiracy.
This is a democratic protest and it's against your saffronization of
Democratic that they will hit my car. That is democracy.
So you are saying that this is a government-sponsored protest that's going.
Can they hit the car of the chief minister? Where democracy goes there.
The same thing is happening for the last couple of days. While the Navakela service is going on around.
No, but are they allowed to come near the car of the chief minister?
So you are saying.
I'm asking you, are they allowed to come near the car?
They are trying to come there.
But here they are allowed to come.
This is with the help of government. That's you are saying that. You are
No.
Do you think that
Chief Minister is hatching this conspiracy to harm me physically as he had done in Kannur. And I'm standing here. If they are so brave, come here.
So you are saying that this is a direction by the.
This is at the direction of the Chief Minister to hurt me physically.
then why you come out of the vehicle?
Why will I not come if they are hitting the glasses?
No, they are.
They are hitting. I cannot allow the criminals, the Hondas,
You are
to rule the road.
You are surrounded by the security.
Just a moment. What security people? They are hitting my car.
So do you think that the police failed to ensure security?
No, police, what poor people can do. When the chief minister is party to this conspiracy, what these poor people can do.
Bureau Report Kokkhorang